In this full video, we will learn how to pin someone on Snapchat. So watch this full video till end to know the whole process. And make sure this process is same for iOS as well as Android. So now let's begin. First of all, open the Snapchat app. And here we go. Once you are here and want to pin someone's chat, then go to chat. Now here, find the chat which you want to pin that chat. So first, tap on that chat and hold for a while. Then you get this pop-up. Now tap on more. Now you will see pin conversation option. Tap on it. So that chat is pinned and always remain at the top. So now you can see that the pin icon is front of it. Same as you can do it for another chat. I hope this video will help you to pin someone on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching.